Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat streak is not sending. If you're using Snapchat and your streak is not sending, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to check that you have a strong internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Once you have checked, you have to open your Snapchat and try to set your streak again. If you are still having the same issues, it may be that the person has been blocked you. You have to make sure that the person has not blocked you, and after that, you can easily try to resend. Or if you are still having the same issue, you have to open your Play Store or App Store, and here you have to search for Snapchat. And you have to make sure that you haven't any update available for your Snapchat app, or if you have any update here you have to try to update your app, because sometime it might be that your Snapchat app is not up to date, so you can face these type errors. And once you have updated your app, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work, you have to open your settings, then go for general, go for transfer reset, select reset network settings, and you have to reset all of your network settings. So sometimes it might be that your network settings are not resetted, so you cannot send anything. So after that, you have to open the Snapchat app again, and from here you have to select the person with which you want to send a snap. Once you have selected, you have to select in which way you want to send the snap using your camera or gallery. Then select the snap, then tap on send option, and the snap will be sent. So in this way you can easily fix if your snap streak is not sending. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.